Hey, bulldozer. Don't fucking stop making me laugh. Number 6, back out.
That's the way they number 6. With all the water gates on it out there. 2516. Bulldozer, been and gone.
Hey, bulldozer. What's on YouTube? Search for 6 Honolulu. Numeric 6 Honolulu. Bulldozer number 6.
Yeah, I found all them video gates and all that new technology out there on YouTube there, man. You got it going on there, mate. I've seen Mod Squad side, your side, 4040 side, and all the other good time gang out there. Looks like it's the new age of YouTube technology out there on this old 27 band bake.
Yeah, check on that. All right, there, bulldozer. As we talk, man, I'm videogating it. And I'll post it. Bulldozer, you're number 6. Back up in the mail. Hello, postman. I heard you in there breaking right through.
Hey, number 6.
How about it? 0601 down under.
Do some fishing. And postman, you're number 6, waving the hand at you two.
Alright, there, number 6, take them. Have to run. I've had my fun. Bye.
Hey, postman, I hear you in there, but bulldozer still got the edge. Bulldozer still got the edge, postman. Postman, I want to know what's your channel, or where do you put it on when you put it on YouTube? Where do you put your video gates at, postman?
I haven't uploaded them yet there, man. I had problems with the audio. The video turned out beautiful, but the audio was pretty crap, man. But Mr. 06 Postman, I think that's what it is, Mr. 06 Postman, Mr. 0, number 0, number 6 Postman. Oh, man. Number 6 out there around Honolulu, 06 Postman, down under Waven.
All right, there.
Hello, Mr. 440, 25, come on down.
Your information there. Postman, number 6. I'm back off in the mail.
How about it? 0601 down under with the video gate rolling.
440, number 6. Aloha.
A 0601 down under. G'day out there, 2525. You sounding good out here, man. I just listened to the gang out there talk. Hello, Showtime. 01 down under.
Yeah, 01, you showing up here, baby. I just thought I'd bump this mobile down, let you know that.
All right, there, 2581. Hey, 2581, that's you. 2581, 440. 2516, number 6, Honolulu. Aloha.
Take it easy out there, Showtime. You're rough and tough out there. I got 06 plug in my ears. 2525, take it easy. 01 Australia on the mail.
440 out there on your radio. 25 D9 with a radio check. Come on.
Hey Bulldozer, I got this on the video gate. Check out Crikey's later.
40 bulldozer pulse now. I'm going to slide to the side and let the rest of the neighbors talk. You guys have a good one. Alright there, number 6. Just cruising this M400 there, man. I just want to see if this 12-volt M400 can get through to you on your video gate while you're at 44 be out there catching some fish. I want to see his fish on that video gate. Hey, I want to see him hook up a big one there, 2516. Bulldozer radio right there. I appreciate it, Bulldozer, I appreciate it. 2516. I'm out of here.
Hey Bulldozer, you're on the video gate. I can hear both of you, compere. Bye Bulldozer 01 with the video gate gone. Yeah, man. Well, I just got all of this. I got you and 06 Postman nailing each other, man. No doubt about it. And I got you doing Hawaii side. I hear both way conversation at the moment, so I got all of it on the video gate rolling right about now. I'll upload it shortly there, bro.
Okay there, 01. Will you be video gating off Fraser Island, or that you just out there for vacation or something? 01, where you be making your video gate from there, break?
Right about now I'm at home. I'm just sitting at home recording the ICOM 746 screen there, bro.
01, South Australia.
G'day South Australia, 01 Brisbane.
Hey, 01 makes me noise, 783 Melbourne.
G'day 783 Melbourne. Hey, no worries at all. But local conditions and a bit of Hawaii out there, so it's pretty good.
We back quiet. 01, number 6. Hey, 01, number 6, waving the hand at you.
Yeah, g'day 06. I got the video gate rolling too. I got it all on the video gate. You talking the Bulldozer and 06. I got the two-way conversation. Hello 06, 01 down under.
01, number 6, waving one more time at you. 01, number 6, waiting for conditions to get better your way.